SEC of United States not only has punctured the balloon of Binance and Coinbase, but they have also sent shockwave among Cardano and few other cryptocurrencies. SEC has classified ADA as a crypto security, a term which they coined a couple of years ago. The regulator, which is SEC, provides an overview of the token's history, claiming that the following and potentially arguing against ADA's decentralization. They say that there are three entries which are responsible for Cardano: the Cardano Foundation, then IOHK, and then Emergo. To sustain their argument, the SEC claims that these entities hold over 16.7% of ADA's total supply, or more than 31 billion ADA. SEC also claims that the company sold the token to fund development and marketing, business operations, and other critical project areas. There is no official reply from Charles Hoskinson or IOHK, which is behind Cardano's development. Despite the lawsuit, many crypto community members are calling the event nothing. They say that the US regulators still to provide a clear legal framework for what constitutes a security in the country. In that sense, legal experts are saying that this bad news will pass away. In Australia, people are naturally worried because given the Australian dollar's performance against US dollar, the impacts are high. As of this video, Cardano Cardano's price in Australian dollar was hovering around 50 cents, which is not still not bad if considering the news, but still it is quite low. When people were expecting that recovery will come, especially the people who bought it around $4 some 2 years ago or 2.5 years ago. So I believe that the crypto market could be overstating the complaint. This lawsuit could finally release tension from the key actors in the sector in the future, but in the short term, don't expect too much change from the status quo. And I don't think so. Cardano's price will go down from here. Thanks for listening.